Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing some football specific full body workout, and there will be 3 circuits in total. Each circuit will have 5 exercises, and it's a very small session, just 10 minutes, and you don't need any equipment at all on body. So let's get into the first circuit.
So first exercise of the very first circuit is high knees. In this conditioning exercise, your movement should be explosive and your thigh should come up perpendicularly. This exercise you have to do 30 seconds, then without any break you should start the second one. Second exercise is the fast feet front back exercise. So in this exercise, your feet should be quick as possible. First start with the slow movements, then slowly try to increase your speed. It really soars those calf muscles and quadriceps. Again you have to do it for 30 seconds. Then we move on to the third exercise, which is the strength exercise, push-ups. Do 10 reps of this exercise and move on to other. Just keep in mind that in every exercise of the circuit, you have to be explosive and quick. Fourth exercise is drop squats, and this is a strength exercise but for lower body. This will work on those quadriceps. Don't move your legs very far away or even close. Just keep a small movement and keep it explosive. Again, this exercise you have to do for 10 reps. So heading towards the last exercise of the very first circuit, Russian twist. It's a really good core exercise. Keep your core tight and movements explosive. If you want more intense, then try taking some heavy objects available in the house just to get more pressure on those ab muscles. Again, do it for 30 seconds and then take a rest for 1 minute. Get some water to keep your body hydrated. Here we go again. First exercise of the second circuit is back heels. Again, keep your movement explosive. Try to keep your quadriceps nice and straight and try to kick your butt. Again, do it for 30 seconds. Moving to the fast feet exercise, inside and outside. Again, same like the first circuit fast feet exercise, but this time you have to do it inside and outside. So it's like one leg out, second leg out, then one leg in, second leg in. Try to do it slowly at first, then once you get the rhythm, try to increase your speed. Again, this you have to do for 30 seconds. So first strength exercise of the second circuit is wide push-ups. Just like the first one, but this time you have to place your hands a bit outside and then try to touch your chest down and then come up. It works on your chest and shoulder muscles, so do it for 10 reps and then move to the next exercise. So fourth exercise is lunges. In this exercise, try to keep your upper body straight and your thighs should be perpendicular to your body when you go down. It's a simple and very effective exercise for your quadriceps. Again, do it for 10 reps and then head towards the core exercise. So the last exercise is sit-ups. Everyone knows it. You just have to lie down and fold your legs not too close to your butt, then push your body up and go down again. If you want more intense, then try using some heavy object in your hand. Do it for 30 seconds and then take a rest. Here's the first exercise of the last circuit, ace keeps. Keep your thigh perpendicular to body, and yes, again keep your movement explosive and do it for 30 seconds. Second exercise is fast feet foot exchange. It's same as the circuit 1 exercise front back, but in this you have to exchange the foot, that's it. Again start it slow and then increase the speed once you get used to it. Do it for 30 seconds and go for the next exercise. Third exercise is diamond push-ups. It will work on your chest and tricep muscles. Try to touch your chest down and then come up. Again do it for 10 reps and head to the next exercise. So second strength exercise is hip thrust. This will work on your glutes and hamstrings, and if you do it right, then it will also work on your quadriceps. If you have any pain in your back while doing this exercise, place your foot towards your butt. Squeeze your butt upwards, it should look straight line. So 20 reps, that's it. Now last exercise of this session is plank step-ups. For beginners, I recommend you guys to do normal plank, and while doing this exercise, don't let your hips go down. Do it for 30 seconds and that's it.
Okay guys, that's it for today. A really great session. So these are the exercises that you can do at home without any equipment. It just takes 10 minutes. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And until next time, see you guys in my next video.